Ambedkar's Indian society was rigid and conservative at that time, and social reformers played an important role in the society. Ambedkar was influenced by Lord Buddha, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, Kabir and Ravidas, and Dalit sons like Dandanar and Chokobela. Here we will discuss how Ambedkar was influenced by the work of Jyotiba Phule, who did remarkable work to remove social evils of Hindu society. Influenced Ambedkar problems of untouchability, adolescence of sati, upliftment of women in society, abolition of child marriage, etc. Beyond the areas of social reform of Phule's reform had a deep impact on Ambedkar, from which he learned that all people are equal by birth, but social evil make them big or small, and one man becomes superior to the other. He wanted to provide opportunities to the Dalit class to rise socially, economically, and politically. Phule believed that Manusmriti has tied the hands and feet of Shudras, and unless they revolt against it, they will never be able to shake off this bondage. Ambedkar also had the same view which he got from Phule. According to the Ambedkars, the law of Manusmriti governed the lives of Hindus in every village. Their inferior social, economic, and political status and degradation is due to Manusmriti. Ambedkar burnt Manusmriti on 25 December 1927, which was a very important milestone in his career as a social reformer. Ambedkar's debate about the origin of untouchability was based on Phule, whose influence inspired Ambedkar to become a great socio-political thinker of modern India. Creator of alternative culture, religion has been a dominant ideology in India. This institutional force is instrumental in maintaining and governing customs, tradition, and law codes. As an ideological and cultural mechanism, it has provided the basis for the institution of caste, untouchability, and patriarchy. Phule realized that social reforms cannot be carried out without a critics of religion and without an alternative plan of religion and culture. Therefore, Phule launched an alternative religion of Sarvajanik Satya Dharma. He set out on a quest for a religious alternative following the path of Indians' anti-caste tradition. Phule applied the following tradition, which according to him coped with the rule of religion, slavery, caste oppression, and Brahminical domination. The rationalist tradition of Buddha, the materialist tradition of Brihaspati, the medieval bhakti tradition of Sant Tukaram. He propounded his alternative theistic rationalism based on liberty, equality, and fraternity as universal morality, and based it on the caste for a universal religion. He constructed an alternative based on the counterculture lineage of the Sudra and Atishudra masses of Maharashtra. He invoked indigenous duties such as Khandova, Bhairodava as historical heroes and models, and inserted them into an alternative scheme of ritual. The main concern of his alternative religion was universal morality, which he argued was possible through self-examination. In the process of self-reflection, the individual examines his experience of social relation, where his personal social experience of inequality, slavery, exploitation, and humiliation appear morally unjust and unacceptable to him. The rigorous process of self-reflection creates legitimation, justifies the moral basis of society, which consists of the virtue of liberty, equality, fraternity, hard work, and altruism. Phule recognized the ideological function of history. Traditional version of Brahmanical historical legitimized caste and gender inequality. Together with Puranic ritual, worship, ideology, and legal prescriptions, it constructed the practice of Varna caste origin among the masses. Quasi-historical or Puranic narratives were absorbed in popular sentiments and remained a formidable source that produced subjugated caste position. Fully criticized the mythical history of the Purans as fabricated by the Brahmins and recognized the need to deploy an alternative version of history. He endorsed Jayabhatisya Vitso method of exposing the historical truths suppressed under Brahminical mythology by adopting Vico's method of explicating facts from mythology, etymology and tradition. Phule wrote the history of social struggle in India. Throughout his history was based on debates, facts extracted from etymology, myths and tradition. He actually embarked on a path of materialist interpretation of history. He presented Indian history as a series of a struggle between Aryans and non-Aryans. He declared that the history of India till now was the history of Brahminical domination. He traced the process of subjugation of the non-Aryas. He created the utopia of Baliraj. Liberty, equality and fraternity prevailed in his kingdom and patriotism, democracy, republic were integral parts of his politics and there were efficient and superlative public servants like Khandoba, Khalbhai during Bali's rules. People lived a happy life enriched with art and knowledge.